Hai and Assalamualaikum.
My name is Nur Aina Farhanah binti M. Sabri.
My name is Nur Zulaika Atira binti Muhammad Nasir.
Today we will talk about Chapter 5, Mobile Device Operating System. For case study scenario, we choose the Campus Technology Club has just welcomed a diverse group of new members. The club runs workshops, but many new members are confused about the core differences between the mobile phones they own. Some use Android and some use iOS.
And I'm Nur Zulaika Atira and I will start with Part A, explaining mobile OS concept. Question 1. Name and describe the two dominant mobile operating system today. Android. Android is an open source mobile operating system used by many smartphone brands such as Oppo, Vivo and Samsung. Android known for its flexibility, customization option and wide range of apps. And the features supports multitasking, available on many price ranges or smartphone. And next, iOS. iOS is Apple's exclusive mobile operating system used in iPhone and iPads. It is known for its smooth performance, high security and user-friendly interface. Features strong privacy and security protection, optimized performance and battery life, and lastly, access to apps via the Apple App Store. And we move to question 2. Briefly state the status of third OS mentioned in the outline. Windows Phone 8 succeeded in 2012. In 2014, Microsoft released the Windows Phone 8.1 update which introduced the Cortana virtual assistant and Windows runtime platform support to create cross-platform apps between Windows PC and Windows Phone. In 2015, Microsoft released Windows 10 Mobile which promotes increased integration and unification with its PC counterpart, including the ability to connect device to an external display, a PC-like interface. While Microsoft's investment in the platform will headlined by a major partnership with Nokia Lumia series of smartphones, including the Lumia 1500 with 20 particular will represent the majority of Windows Phone devices sold by 2013. And lastly, Microsoft began to prioritize software development and integration with Android and iOS instead, and ceased active development of Windows 10 Mobile in 2017. And question 3. Differentiation between Android and iOS based on two simple core features. Customization for Android is open source system. Its users can customize term, launchers and setting freely. And for iOS is closed system. iOS have a limited customization and users must follow Apple's design and setting.
My name is Aina. I will continue for hardware restrictions. For Android, used by many brands like Samsung, Xiaomi, Oppo and others. So there's a wide range of devices with different hardware options and prices. For iOS, only runs on Apple devices like iPhone and iPad, so hardware is tightly controlled and limited to Apple's own products. Next, openness for Android, which is open source. It allows apps from different sources like APK files and more developer freedom. And iOS, which is closed system, apps can only be downloaded from the App Store with strict Apple guidelines.
And we move to question 4. Explain the basic method of installing application using App Store for iOS and Play Store for Android.
For Android, which use Play Store, first you need to open the Google Play Store app and then search for the app you want. Lastly, tap install to download and install it automatically. Next, for iOS, which use App Store, first you need to open the Apple App Store, then search for the app you want. Next, tap Get or the price and enter your Apple ID password or use Face or Touch ID to install. Question 5. Describe the difference between a pull user-initiated download and a push IT-initiated deployment content source. For pull user-initiated download, the user manually searches for and installs app or content from the Play Store or App Store. The user controls when and what to download or update. For push IT-initiated deployment, the IT administrator or system automatically sends or installs app or updates to devices. The user does not need to take action because installation happens in the background or is forced remotely. Now we are moving to part B, interface and management demonstration.
Question 1. Identify and name two common elements found on both Android and iOS home screen. As example, icon, search bar, or how to clear app.
For Android, at the bottom of the home screen, you can see the dock, which is the apps you frequently use, and up from the dock, you can see the icons, which is apps that you download.
So this is an icon for iOS phone, and it also have a search button at the below on your home screen. And then split your screen to the right, and you will see app library that include your all apps on your phone. And you also can search what app you need by click the search button. And lastly, this is how to clear all apps that you use by swiping up the left side at the bottom of your home screen.
Question 2. How to create a new folder on the home screen for an Android. To create a folder on an Android, first you need to tap and hold an app icon that you want to create the folder. Next, drag it over another app. Next, a folder will automatically be created. And lastly, you can then name the folder as you like. The purpose of using folders to organize apps. Folders group similar apps together, so your home screen looks cleaner and less crowded. Next, you can quickly find apps when they are organized by category, for example, social, games, and work. Next, it helps you manage your apps logically instead of scrolling through multiple pages. And lastly, you can arrange folders based on your needs or preference, making your device more efficient to use. And the last part for part B, which is question 3, basic steps for uninstall apps from an iOS device.
First, choose apps what you want to delete, and press the apps until it shows an instruction. So it will show these 4 options, and then click remove app. After that, it will show 3 options, which is remove apps from home screen, delete app, and cancel. And then click delete app, and the app will uninstall from your phone.
That's all from us. Thank you.